Here we come to the elevator at Civano Center. This is a MontgomeryKONE.
Yeah, it's got the older chime.
That's awesome. Let's get our cab view here. Very nice. MontgomeryKONE door equipment. It's got an older door operator. Kone interlock, MontgomeryKONE, I should say. Let's go up to 2. Door close works. And we got the scrolling indicator. Here we go.
Seems like an auto parks at 1.
All right, auto parks.
Because it's already calling for down.
Yep. Yep, and it's going down because we got the scrolling indicator.
Oh, no, it's not.
So anyways, while we're up here, let's get the cab view. This is a certificate. Last inspected 2018, so it's definitely hasn't been inspected for a while, but I mean, it runs pretty good. ADA compliant phone.
Yep.
And you got your controls and key switches. Oh, you have an outlet down there.
Fan, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's where the key switches are on the Series 220. And that's the indicator. Here we are on 1. Watch the button go out this time. And we're gonna hear the bell. Yeah, this has the older controller. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.